how do I pursue a wrongful death claim in Missouri? It's a really hard subject to talk about. I'm Gary Berger from Berger Law, and I just got back from a funeral of an old friend of mine that I've known for 30 years. She's a great woman, so wry and funny, and I thought I'd just do a quick video on this. Berger Law, we represent a lot of people in wrongful death cases, and it's a hard thing to talk about because it's the ultimate loss, and it's hard to value the grief and the loss and the profound emptiness and missing the loved ones that I know anybody who may be watching this video will connect with and feel that emptiness, miss that laugh, those types of things. So in Missouri, you can pursue a wrongful death case for any type of a claim, for a car wreck, truck wreck, medical malpractice, slip and fall, premises case. It happens in workers' compensation. Any variety of circumstances can result in the death of someone, and if you do that, if that happens to you or a loved one, you have a claim for that, and the statute of limitations, the time period in Missouri to pursue such a claim, to file a lawsuit for such a claim, is 3 years from the date of the death. There's a component of that called a survival claim, where if it reduces the chance of, if something happens that reduces the chance that you could have survived, there's a claim for that too. In medical malpractice, the statute is 2 years. In a regular non-med mal personal injury, it's 5 years. The damages for that are set in 537.080.090 are the statutes in Missouri that set out the damages, who's entitled to make a claim, and the damages for that. The whole family doesn't have to make a claim, only one person has to make a claim. I just did a wrongful death settlement today as well. In a hearing. In Missouri, any death case, a settlement has to be approved by the court under a specific statute. We file a motion, we have an order, we talk about the distribution of the proceeds. So in the claim, one person can pursue it, either the spouse, child, grandparent, somebody, and then the distribution is determined by the family. We work it out always among the family members and figure out what's the best, fairest way to do it. There's a underlying thought that should be the way someone would die. If someone would die intestate or without a will, it should be divided that way. It's typically a half for the spouse and half divided by the children. If they're not survived, that can go different ways. Meaning if someone predeceases them, the wife, there's no wife, or if when the children passes before them or whatnot. But those settlement proceeds are usually divided up among the family, and then a court approves the settlement, and it's done. Many times in death cases, because there's such profoundly large damage cases, we file a lawsuit and litigate the case, prove our case, because we don't want to resolve those cases at a low level. We want to try to obtain the highest recovery for death cases as we can. At BergerLaw.com, we have a lot of description of cases. We have family members do videos. We talk about different cases and stuff to try to educate people. And it's a hard thing to do. It's a hard thing to come to a lawyer about, to say, hey, represent me or pursue this claim. In many ways it's not hard, because you want to get justice and you want to get some level of recovery for that profound loss. If anybody wants to discuss how to win a wrongful death case in Missouri, call us or visit our website, BergerLaw.com. If anybody has questions about the grief and loss and the types of damages recoverable, you can visit with me as well. I'm Gary Berger of Berger Law. Give us a call or connect with us on our website or any other way, and we're happy to discuss these claims with you. Thank you.